Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new transfer to the expenses application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the one of the sheets, click on the plus icon and tap on this three dots icon again, click on transfer, and then you should type in the amount of money that you would like to transfer, select the currency, then select the sheet, set the date, and tap on show time if you would like to show time. In that case you should also select or set the time, then click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen to save the new transfer and add it to your sheet. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.